Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2016 Toyota Corolla LE Plus Premium. This thing only has 39,120 miles. One owner vehicle purchased here locally in Florida. As you can see, it's a nice silver exterior. This thing already has the tinted windows, premium alloy wheels on it, fog lights, daytime running lights, has a keyless entry, as well as push button start, automatic transmission. This does have the leather seating with the power seat. It does have the navigation, multimedia center there. There's a quick glimpse of the sunroof. Super clean vehicle. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.